Hello everyone, my name is Lee Moon Kang. Today I'm gonna teach you how to solve the question 1, which is in base system. So this question it mentioned that solve the following arithmetic in binary, which means we need to convert all the number in the binary form. First, we need to convert the 50 into the binary form. When decimal become binary, we use divide. The second, the octal become a binary, we can use the 3-byte form. Zero, so O is 0. The 4 is 100. So the binary number of 40 is in hexadecimal to binary, we can use a 4-byte. The third hexadecimal number, we can use a 4-byte to convert it. A in hexadecimal is equal to 10. So okay, the next step, we need to do the multiplication first, then you only do the plus and minus. So the multiplication times the second one, you need to leave one space. The third one, you need to leave 2 space. So start with 3. Then after all, plus all the thing. 1 plus 1 equal to 10, plus 1 plus 1, 10, plus until the end. After we do the multiplication, we finish this part. So we have to minus this first, do these two. After we finish the minus, then plus, after that plus this. Finally, we get our final answer. Now finally the B part, he said, need to convert final answer to octal and hexadecimal. This is our final answer. So in octal to binary, we can use a group by in 3. The first column is 2, second column is 2, then final is 4. So total is 224 octal. In hexadecimal, we can use a group bits in 4. So the answer is 94 hexadecimal. In this world, the decimal number is important to us because we use the decimal number from 0 to 9 with 10 numbers to make many combinations in maths and in our world. But in computer, there's very differently. In computer, we only use the digit number in computer. And why? Why they use the binary digit, the only 0 and 1? Why we use binary digit in computer and what is it? Binary digits is only contain two numbers, 0 and 1. The binary digit short form we call bytes. The bit, it means only a single number, either 0 or 1. When many a lot of bits, it can create the file, video, or image. Through the bits of combination. So how the 0 and 1 of the combination to make the computer work? For example, the switch. If the 0 is off, you turn to off. If the 1, you turn to on. So it only has one possible state. If our computer uses a decimal number, it will have 0 to 9 possible state. So if computer using the binary digit, it only have one state to do his function. If a lot of combination with the bits number, you content is using to form the code and translate data inside the computer. So the computer will function. Then why don't we using the decimal number in the computer? Why? Because if we use a bit only 1 or 0. If we use decimal number, it has 10 possible states, 0 to 9. So it is harder to let the computer decide the function. And also, if we use byte, we'll use one of the benefit is using less storage. At the end, in the digital world, the video, the text, and the picture all are in the binary form, although our eyes cannot see because it is run in the computer system. So in the end, the binary digit is the most efficient way to store and process data within their electronic circuit. So every piece of data, from the number to letters, video or picture or sounds, is ultimately translated into a series of 0 and 1 for the computer to understand and manipulate. So this is my overall explanation. Thank you.